Morning everyone. Yeah, thought I'd do a bit of an update. We've been up the claim and doing having trouble with doing the clay, breaking up the clay. So I thought I'd made this. This is my the Auger Sluice. I've just made a bit of an alteration to it and put these in there. So they'll just break up all the clay. So you just chuck the clay in there and give her a whizzing, and it'll just chomp it all up. The only thing I've got to do is I've just got to put wee bars that go across the top of here in each one of those, so that the clay make like a grizzly bar, so that it sits in between these, and then the clay sits in, and then these will just come through and then just cut it, chop it into bits, and then yeah. But other than that, it's all good. I ended up buying another wee toy as well for the summer. I ended up buying one of these, which is a underwater metal detector. So this summer, when we go and do a bit of sniping underneath, we should be all kitted up. It's one of those PI King, it's the 750 model. So yeah, a pinpointer. So yeah, so hopefully, yeah, it should get us a wee bit further ahead. Yeah, so hopefully, yeah, get the old bark, the clay buster in there. Should break up all that clay for us, and then yeah, we should be looking pretty good hopefully. Give her another go, and I think what I'm going to do is, because I've got the augers over there, I'm going to extend that auger, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this hole longer, so it'll be up probably another half longer in there. So come up to about here somewhere, so there'll be a wee hole at the end, and then I'll put another auger on, but I'm going to cut a heap of holes in that auger, so it ends up not pushing so much dirt around, so it'll only be around on the bottom. So yeah, I'll see how that goes, so then I can just interchange them when I want to change them around. So yeah, should work out quite good, I think. So yeah, alrighty, just thought I'd give a quick update, and then yeah, cool, see you later.